Welcome to miniOrange. In this video we will see how to verify and activate the license key for your premium Magento extension. Log in into Magento admin dashboard. Enter your username and password to log in. You are logged into your dashboard. Now go to the miniOrange extension from the left menu. Click on the account from the list. You can log in using the username and password associated with the miniOrange user account. Click the Submit button after entering your username and password. Here you will require the license key to activate the extension. Click on the Where's My Key? Click on the link provided to get your license key. For the license key, log in to the miniOrange account. Enter your email ID and click on the Login button. Now enter your password here, and click on the Login button. Here you can see the license key to activate the extension. Copy it. Paste the copied license key in the text box. Accept the terms and conditions before activating the license key by clicking the checkbox. Click on the Activate License button to activate license. You have successfully activated the license key to your account. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at magentosupport@securify.com.